Hello everyone. So we will start off by coloring a butterfly. We have chosen the color pink, but you may color it in any color that you may like. For our next craft, we will be coloring in a duck. So start off by drawing the head and then the cute little fluffy body. Draw the wings as well and a little bow. Next, have a swan traced out and then add the finishing touches of the sun and all of its expressions. Color it in the water and everything else as you like in pink, green or any other colors. For our next craft, we will be drawing a little girl. Start off by drawing the face and then add the hair, the dress, add a little bow, some eyes, color the hair in blonde or any other color you like. Cut out the dress portion and then stick some flowers at the back. This gives you a unique dress. For our next craft, take 2 mushrooms, cut the base of the mushroom so you are left with a circle. Then add oblong heads all over some paper and add some little tails and some necks. Then take some green clay and make it into strips to make the grass. Take some marker and then add little bubbles all over the place. For our next craft, take a circular canvas and fill it with blue and white paint in order to symbolize water. Add some grass on the top and then add little leaves to the grass. Take some white paint and then make some blobs in the bottom. This will form the bodies of the swans. Add some wings and there you have it. For our next craft, take a circular canvas once again, take some yellow clay and spread it as shown above. Then add some brown clay to the top and add cute little eyes and a mouth. Add some hands and some legs and you have yourself bananas. For our next craft, take a circular canvas and add some green lines on top to symbolize the leaves. Then add some little blobs to symbolize the leaves of these vines. Add light green, dark green and you may also add some yellow. Take the sponge and make yellow blobs at the bottom of the canvas. Add a beak, some eyes and then some legs and there you have yourself some cute little chicks. You may add green at the bottom as well. For our next craft, take some yellow paint in your finger and then make a circle out of it. Black circular chart paper. Do the same in red and then cut out the shape of a cat and stick it in the middle. This will form the mane of the lion. Add a little cute body and add a tail, some grass at the bottom with paper or paint and then add some flowers to this grass. Sprinkle some paint on it for final touches. You may choose to frame it. For our next craft, take a circular sheet of paper, take some red clay and then squeeze it using any flat surface. Draw in the corners to make it look like petals and then add yellow to make the center of the flower. Add the stems of the flowers as well as the leaves using clay or even your drawing skills and then make it look like a bouquet. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper, take some clay out of yellow and make it in the shape of a bun. Then add the layers of the bun and other things such as lettuce, some meat and everything else. Take a circular sheet of paper or a canvas, add grass at the bottom in dark green and then add leaves in lighter green. You may also choose to add little flowers out of yellow or any other color that you may please. You may choose to add red for the center of these flowers. Dip your finger in brownish paint and add it all over to make little bees as well on the painting. For our next craft, take a circular canvas or a circular sheet of paper, dip your finger in any color paint. We have chosen purple, blue, green and make patterns as such. In the center, add a little shape of bird and add eyes and a beak as well as some legs. At the bottom, add some grass and there you have yourself a little peacock. Thank you for watching.